Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We clearly have a weed problem to these horizontally spreading ones, vertically ones growing straight up from the cracks, and then these little bushy ones down over here. Let's do some research and see how we fix this. Okay, I really like this video by Garnsile. There's very many different ways, and same with Google AI. I think I'm gonna try this one, and maybe another one in there. Let's go set things up. Good morning, trying to get things done before the Southern California heat rolls in. So for the salt, I am just literally sprinkling some and seeing how that works. Same thing with the vinegar. These were pretty large weeds, so I ended up pulling out the top. So this can actually get into the cracks and try to fix our weed problem. And here's the Roundup. Gonna do this a few times and see where we're at in a few days. It's been a few days and they do look a little bit more dead. I'm gonna go pick up some weed tools and picks. Not too sure what I'm looking for, but let's go shopping. I'm back from shopping and these are the two goodies I ended up with. It's been about a week. I don't even know if it's gonna make a huge difference, but let me try pulling some from the control. Okay, that was already pretty easy. Here is the salt section. Feels about the same. Vinegar section. I'm not even sure what I'm trying to test for. That felt the easiest so far, and this is the Roundup. And we'll see what happens when I actually start picking at it and removing everything. Let's get to work. I didn't feel any difference between the control salt and vinegar. They all tore the same, but the Roundup came out in a nice big chunk and even got some of the root system out. Over here, Roundup looks to kill some of the plants. The vinegar also killed and turned some of them brown, but the salt is still kind of green. Gonna use the pick next to see if I could feel a difference. The Roundup still felt the easiest, but I was able to dig up a few good chunks from the vinegar section. Same thing over there. I'm making another video about this weed here. I started a Reddit post asking about what it is. There was a lot of warnings about salt and Roundup. Try to keep it separate from areas where I want to plant stuff in the future here. They're saying salt and Roundup could really mess up the soil and I would have a hard time planting in the future. But for driveway, I think it's okay to use. Video 280 done.